Welcome to this video. Before we start, I want you to listen carefully. This I do today is just experience, and don't try home, because if you do this wrong, it can make very big damage. So before we start, I want you to show you 4 screws here, which is different screw, and which one I'm going to use. This screw, you can look at here, is not so strong. So this is aluminium, and we don't use this. This one is also a little bit strong, but not so strong. So we don't use this one even. You can see this one. This is not so strong, but it is strong. But we don't use this either. And you can see this one. This is a very hard metal. It's difficult to break this one. And you can see it's very strong metal. And I think this one will work best. Now, let's see how I do. What we're going to do now, we're going to take off this one. And we don't take off the second piece. This will be here. And you can see here, we put everyone 4 screws here. Right now it's moving around, but check it out soon. When I do this very hard, will not move anywhere. So this is going to sit here very good. To do for safety, you take the bolt and you put here, just for to be safe. Just to make sure that is, and now this is very safe, cannot move anywhere, like you see here. 2 more things. Make sure this safety is in your side, you know, so this can protect you if something happen. This one, and please don't forget safety glass. So now we're going to test this and see if it works. Like you see, it doesn't move, nothing, and it seems to work this pretty well, and it's still sharp, you can see. But please, if you try this at home, please make sure you do this safety. This is a just experiment. See you next DIY idea. Have a nice day.